Hi, welcome back to our channel Just Artsy. And today we are going to try tie and dye.
And we haven't done it before, so we're gonna watch a tutorial before starting the process.
So I'll show you the materials now, and we've taken a few rubber bands to tie the two tops, and these are few dyes, 4 dyes, and a few plastic cups to pour in the paper cups. Sorry, a few paper cups to pour in the dye, and a plastic sheet to not make it more shabby.
And we're gonna use these two white tops.
So we watched a tutorial and we've taken some hot water and we're going to soak these two shirts in it for 1 hour, and we've also added some salt in this water. It's already been an hour and now we are going to take out these tops and squeeze out not all the water but almost all the water, and we'll start off with the process now. So we've selected the blue and yellow colored dye for this top, and we'll now put on the gloves so that we don't stain our hands with the dye.
Okay.
क्या कर रही है?
अरे नहीं,
उल्टा ही डाल रही है फिर भी.
अरे
उल्टा ही डाल रही है.
अरे but see, this comes.
अभी ऐसे डाल. हाँ.
ओह अच्छा. दो एक में डाल दिया.
ये कल तक पहनेगी क्या?
Struggling a lot to just put on gloves.
You don't have to remove the whole gloves when it goes into.
अरे
रुक मत निकाल. किधर है दूसरा नंबर?
Do it! Just do it!
I was finding where's the finger.
वापस
फिर से
वही
वही
किया.
डाला. Finally.
Yeah. We have taken hot water and these dyes, so we are now going to mix it and we'll pour it alternately. ठीक है ना इतना?
Just see how
This
the
much?
color is. हाँ. Once you put in water, you'll come to know how dark you want.
Pija is curvy.
This looks like rasna.
Can I drink this?
So we have made the dye and we are first going to put the
This
light.
looks like jello shots.
Yeah. So now we're going to use the light color first and
Put orange here.
हाँ. It looks pretty. This is how it looks once we've dyed it.
This is very dark. Arey, this looks like black.
Let's see. सूखने के बाद we'll see how.
Arey, but this legit looks like black. I'm not kidding. See, even that is a bit dark.
Never mind. अभी here.
Arey, but anyway,
Leave
it's
it,
very
leave it. हाँ.
light. It's
Exactly.
barely
बस
visible.
बस 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 बस.
You didn't mix it properly. What should I do? What is this behavior?
We are finally done with dyeing the t-shirts, and now we're gonna let it dry for 24 hours, that is a day, and we'll shoot the further video tomorrow. So bye for now.
Hi, it's already been a day and it has dried up now. So we are going to open these rubber bands and we'll show it to you how the tops have turned out, taken the color. And we're going to skip the first, the one last step, which is once the tops dry up, we have
They
to wash
usually
it,
wash
it once, and then we can
Yeah,
wear
but
it.
we're not gonna wash it. Oh my god! That is so good.
And from behind as well.
That is so pretty.
This has turned out really well.
Better than
what
we
I expected.
And I am still struggling to open
Should I
it.
help you with it?
I have nails, guys. I cannot.
मतलब कुछ भी
Oh wow,
Hey,
this
it looks
actually
nice.
looks cute. Like it's not that bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna wear it and
Wear
show
this.
you guys how
Yeah.
it's looking on us. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you like this video,
If nahi, you have to do it. You have to like it and subscribe and share. Support.
मेहनत पसीना.
हाँ.
200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह
Yes, so go like, share, and subscribe right away.
Yes.
And bye, I
Bye.
guess.